Hey guys, this is just a bedsheet, but it carries a special feature. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers as you see in the picture. This is a bedsheet that we have ordered on Meesho. So this is how the packing is. And it takes delivery for at least 3 to 4 days after we place the order. And we have got here 2 pillow covers with the bedsheet. I'll provide that link in the description box. You can check out. It's a cotton bedsheet. As I told previously or initially, this has got a special feature which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see in the picture, it's a cotton bedsheet, super soft, but color seems to be faded. That's a bit disappointing. And here comes the special feature. It has got 360 degrees elastic, and this all makes a difference. And we'll check out very soon. Now we'll go for that and see the demo, how it looks. And let me tell you, this is Emma bed, and free trial is available for 100 days on this Emma bed. And you have the review video also of this Emma bed plus protector. If you want, you can check out the video in the I button and screen and description box. Okay, let's check out now as how it works. Does it fit well or not? It does fit well. You have to tuck in the bed sheet to all the corners as shown in the picture. It's simple, easy to put onto the bed, and it's comfortable, and it will protect your bed or mattress better. And you can remove and wash it also if you want, and you can have better sleep. And aesthetically it is pleasing, right, as you see in the picture. So you see how easy it was. It takes only a few minutes to put onto your bed. So this kind of bedsheet would be helpful for all of us, right? It's a cotton bedsheet, soft, and it will fit your bed, and all sizes are available. This is double cot bedsheet, and pillow covers would be given. You can go for this product. It's super good, but it has got some wrinkles which you can adjust by properly fitting the elastic to all the sides of your bed. So that's it all for today. If you like this video, do share, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Thank you.